So here we're in the Oyster Room, which is the corner of Prince and Sullivan Street, and all these windows open up to the street, and it just has this great kind of like neighborhood feel. We worked with great designers, Roman and Williams, and I just wanted to bring some of my vision of what New York is and what America is, and all these things together to make this place that I want to call home. These lights here kind of like reference the great oyster bars in New York, especially if you go to Grand Central Oyster Bar. The archway has these like lights over it and this Gustavino ceiling, and that's just like a small little kind of like nod to like that. Some of the art, it's been a long time, almost 2 years, picking out all the little different pictures and art inside the restaurant. Again, to tell a story about me, about America, about New York, because really if you think about America, it's all filtered through New York, and that's kind of what I wanted to do here. This picture here is taken by a photographer that works the street on Spring Street every Friday and Saturday to take pictures of the tourists, and we just had him take pictures of the staff a little bit. So a lot of these pictures of people around just aren't random pictures. They tell the story of what the Dutch is, what my food is, what the restaurant is. But also Soho in the 80s, when the neighborhood really got started, you know, and there was the great art scene here. I just wanted to reference that also. So I have prints from Leo Castelli, and I have also this Keith Haring print here. This kind of like harks back to like that time and that great time in Soho. You know, but really the center of this room is the oyster bar. For me, if you're gonna have like a great oyster bar, and it's going to be, you know, kind of have that New York reference, it has to swivel, kind of have that old time yet like brand new design kind of oyster feel. These globes, my original idea for them was, if you go drive to the south, all over America, there's these roadside kind of like very casual restaurants called Waffle House. Kind of like an all-day American diner that has a set of these globes, and I just always love them as a design feature, and it's kind of like my little reference to the American South and the cooking that gets done there.